Hi people from this beautiful place called the internet. I am Super and today I'm going to teach you how to use Share Factory. Share Factory is an app that I've been using like since I started YouTube. Even on my Portuguese channel I used it. So I think I have some experience to teach you how to make thumbnails. Like this one. So let's go. First thing you need to do is open Share Factory. If you don't have it, just download it. It's on the PlayStation Store. And then this is probably what you're gonna see. It has 5 tabs: videos, photos, animated GIFs, social, import content. In this video we're going to use photos and import content. So you want to make a thumbnail, you go to new project, pick up what you want. I want Fortnite because Fortnite is popular. You choose an image. Well, I don't want any of this. Then what do? You pick up a pen drive because there's no way you can enter on Google and download images. So we need to import images from a USB. Images have to be in a folder called Share Factory, and inside that folder needs to have an images folder with the images. I already exported 2 images: the background and the Huntress Fortnite skin, because we're gonna make a Fortnite thumbnail. So to do that, we need to go to Photos, start a new project, click on a random image. Like, okay, this Fortnite art thing sounds good. So then you take out the borders, because you don't want ugly borders on your thumbnail. And then you confirm. Now you don't have any borders. You edit the photo. And then add an overlay of imported images. You see, it's right there. So now you have a new background. Now you need to add an overlay, another one. But this time it's a skin. Now you press square and then you click on transform. Then you rotate the skin so it looks like not bad. That happens sometimes. And that happens sometimes. You make it a little bit bigger. See? Already looks good, to be honest. You click on edit photos again and edit the overlays. This is the time we're gonna add some text. So choose the font you want. For this tutorial I'm gonna use this font right here. I'm gonna type whatever I want. You have the text, but I don't want the text to not be boring. If you don't want it to be boring, you can make this thing. There's a ton of effects you want if you want it to be less boring, like all of these effects. Not that bad, but I actually prefer not using effects. Okay, I kinda use this one because it looks better. Then you can change the color, pretty easy. Just drag the color thing right here, change the saturation, and now you have this masterpiece. Now you want to export the masterpiece so it can be your thumbnail. Well, then you need to click on save. That's easy. That easy. It just saves it. And then if you go to your gallery, we have our masterpiece. Hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a like. If you didn't, leave a like. I want likes. But no, to be serious with you, I actually want to make more videos like this. So if you like this video, give it a like so I know that you like it and you want more videos like this. So yeah, bye.
Hit it late with a bitch from the bayou. Make sure the pussy ball no Caillou. Hadouken your ass like I'm Ryu. I'll splash on your ass like an eye chapstick on my lip and I'm looking like a bitch. I had a couple kids, but I threw them in a dish. For the ice on my wrist, no a dike with a whip. We can take 4 spin everybody.